Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that your audience is your most important asset. Okay? What do I mean by that? I mean, your audience is very important because it's the people who communicate your brand and who embody what your business is all about. For me, for us, our business is about helping people and impacting the world and constantly trying to improve people's lives, right? So my audience always has to come first. And as long as I put my audience first and I talk to my audience and I tell them, just different things they need to know to step by step start improving their life, and we actually talk about stuff they want to talk about, then it allows my business to grow and allows their life to improve. Okay? A great story of this was when I was creating a product called the Kickstarter Course, right? It was built out of a lot of my audience saying, we can't convert consultation calls. We don't know exactly the steps that we need to do in order to actually get someone to say, yes on the phone and to actually get, people to want to work with us. It's almost like they want to work with us. We get on the phone with them, do a consultation call, and then we scare them away. How can we improve that? So what I had to do was I had to go create that product for the audience. And thus it allowed my business to improve and allowed their business to improve. Okay? But you have to constantly be able to listen to your audience and constantly see what they're needing in the moment to allow them to, progress in their lives. That's going to cause you to flourish as well. If that's what you're searching for, someone to show you step by step how to actually move forward and actually improve your life by showing you exactly what moves the needle forward in your business, I recommend you go join our free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Feel free to hit that share button so someone else can benefit as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.